In other good news, somebody sideswiped my car. Oh, goodness. Lifetime, you said this was Christmas movies. Now I can't open my back door because my back door is now connected to my front door. So thank you to whoever did that. They'd be highly disappointed with me. I'm actually snowed in. We got a big snowstorm last night. We won't be going anywhere else for a couple more days. What am I gonna do? I'm stuck in here. I'm bored. So alone. I'm gonna make some popcorn chicken. No, I'm playing with y'all. I'm cooking the takeout at home. Shrimp fried rice. People get to complaining when you don't put the extra shrimp. And sweet and sour chicken. This is my version. If you can dig your way over here, you can come get a plate.